Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with yet another Nykaa haul video in which I'm going to show you some of the Nykaa products which I've ordered so far, and also I'll be doing the makeup in front of you all with these products which I've ordered, and simultaneously I'll be providing you the reviews of these products as well, so that you'll be able to know that what sort of product you should really go. So let's move further to the video now. Number one product is these wheat waxing strips. This product is odd one out because I really can't show you by removing my hairs, but yes, I can give a review on this product. So as you know that we are facing corona problem nowadays, and lots of people are preventing to go out there in salons for their waxing and all for their personal safeties. So I personally prefer using these strips rather than going for razors and wheat creams, because they are not really good for our skin as they provide blackness on our hands and legs wherever we use it. Instead of using those creams and all, I go for these strips because it is very easy to use. You just have to scratch it off and you have to apply on your areas where you have to remove your hairs, and you have to scratch it. That's it. So it is very handy and easy to use. You can really go for these strips, and the price of these strips are 199 each. Number second product is this Cetaphil skin cleanser. I have been using this product from last 2 months and I am really loving it because it is very skin friendly, as it will not lead to any rashes, redness or bumps on your face, and also it is recommended by every dermatologist. If you are a very sensitive skin kind of a person, then this is the perfect product for you because it is not harsh at all. And this product is all skin types, so whether you are oily skin person or dry skin or normal skin, this is the perfect for you. And I give 10 on 10 on this cleanser, so you can really go with this one, and the price is 470 rupees. I have already cleansed my face with this off camera, so I'm not gonna show you over here. Now for toning my face, I am using this Orgera facial toner. I have not ordered any toner yet, so this is my go-to toner which I usually use. So I'm gonna tone my face now. Product number 3 is yet another from Cetaphil. This is the moisturizer, and this is a daily advanced ultra hydrating lotion which I'm gonna use as my face moisturizer right now, and then I'll be giving you the reviews. So I have applied this moisturizer and I sort of love this product because first of all, it is non-greasy. It is not at all greasy, and I'm not feeling that I've applied anything on my face, as it is very lightweighted as well. So you can go with this product as well, and the price is 180 rupees. And Cetaphil products are all very skin friendly. You can really go for any product. Number 4 product is this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Just have a look. So I'm gonna use this product for covering my dark circles, and I have heard lots and lots of people recommending this concealer. So let's just check out how this product is. Okay. So I have applied this concealer on my darker areas, and kind of like this product because first of all, the price is very affordable. It only cost at 600 something. I don't remember the price. Yeah, it cost about 600, and the coverage is also nice. It gives you about medium to full coverage. So this is really great deal for you. Also, you get huge range of shades according to your needs, so you can buy this product, and I like it, so I recommend you to go for this. Number 4 product is this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. Just see, and I have this in the shade Classic Ivory 101. So now I'm gonna use it on my face. Okay guys, so I have applied this foundation on my face, and I don't really like this product because the coverage is not that good as I was expecting it to be. But yes, if you are looking for the regular use foundation, you can really go with this one because it provides you a kind of matte finish. It's not at all creasy. It is just very subtle foundation. You don't feel like you have applied anything because it is very lightweighted as well, and oil free as it is written on this. So let's see that for how much long it can stay. But yeah, 24 hours, I don't think so it will last up to 24 hours at all. But okay, utar karunga. And the price is 750 rupees. So you can go with this one if you're looking for the regular basis foundation. Number 5th product is this Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light 15. I'm gonna use it for setting my base. Okay, packaging is very nice. Oh my god, this loose powder is super amazing. I highly recommend you all because first of all, just have a look on my coverage now. When I used my foundation, the coverage was about medium, but now as you can see, it almost gives you a full coverage. So this powder is 10 on 10 for me. If you are going to have any loose powder, you can go with this without any second thought. The price of this powder is approx 699. I don't remember the price, so I'll be providing you the link of all these products in the description box so that you can directly click on that link and you can shop from Nike. So now the product number 6th and 7th are these eyeshadow palettes. These are from Makeup Revolution, and it costs 750 each. Okay, so first of all, I really love the outer covering. Wow, the colors are super amazing. Wow. Okay, and let's talk about the pigmentation now. So I'm gonna swatch it for you now. Just check it out. My god. So these colors are highly pigmented and the price is not so much. I got it on sale. The actual price of these palettes are 1500 each. You can go with this one. So I'm gonna do my eye makeup, but before that I'll be showing you my another palette as well. Okay, so this one is the Revolution Makeup Ultra Eyeshadow 32 Ultra Professional Eyeshadows. Wow, and the colors, whoa, wow. Pigmentation of this palette is also pretty cool. Okay, just see. Why it is getting so deeper right now. Okay. Oh, these two colors are similar. No. This is in a kind of greenish form and this is in bluish form. So let's see another color. Yeah, this one. Okay, so oh my god. So the pigmentation of these palettes are super amazing. Now I'm gonna do my eye makeup. For my crease line, I'm gonna use this brown color. This is very light brown color. So let's make a crease with it. I'm going to do a very subtle eye makeup. I'm not gonna go for anything dramatic. For my outer corner, I'm gonna use this Exquisite color. and this is from this palette. I don't know the name of this one. क्या नाम है इस palette का? This is Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Creative Volume 1. This palette. So I'm taking this equities color and I'm gonna add it on my eye corners. Okay, nice. I'm gonna merge it with my crease line. Now I'm taking this flat brush and I am going to use this color. The name of the color is Divination. This one, Divination. So let's add it up on my inner corner. Okay, so this is a subtle shimmery pink tone color. Okay, nice. I'm taking this pencil brush and I like to play with colors, so I'm gonna use this Magic Trick color. This is in a bluish kind of a color. Yeah, and it is very deep. So make sure before applying it, just apply a little. Yes. And for the inner eyes, I'm gonna use this inspired color. Just see this blue, light blue shade. Sorry, this one. Yes. For the waterline, I have used this regular white kajal. I have not ordered any blusher or highlighters, so I'm gonna use these blushes and highlighters from my eyeshadow palettes only. For my blusher, I'm taking this same Creative palette and I'm gonna take this pink color and the name of the shade is Color. इसका नाम ही Color है. So just take it and applying on my cheeks. Now for highlighting, I'm using this Mermaid palette and I am gonna take this white shimmer and this pink shimmer. I'm gonna merge them both and then I'll be applying. So I'm taking both of them. So I have done my highlighting and also I've done my eyebrows off camera with my regular eyebrow definer. So now I'm gonna apply mascara and lashes. So they both are my regular use mascara and lashes. I've not ordered them. So I'm gonna apply them both off camera. Now the last product is this lipper from Sugar Cosmetics. And this is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in shade Hot Apricot 37. And I'm gonna apply it on my lips. And let's just see that how it is going to work for me. Okay guys, so my makeup is done and I have applied all of these products on my face. Okay, so according to me, the shade of this lipper is pretty different. It is really unique. I didn't have this product in my vanity, so I'm very happy that I have a different color. But I think it is a little bit in a dry form. I don't feel like my lips are very hydrated or something. These are very dried right now, and while removing it, it is a biggest task because it cannot be removed with any face wash or something. You really need to have a baby oil or a makeup remover for removing this because it is very sticky. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please tell me in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and press the bell icon for the further notifications. Till then, bye, take care.